pretty much any time that you use the frame rack, it'll save you time because it's so simple to use. To put your pulling post is so simple and quick that that'll get it done faster than the other frame racks. So anything that you work on it, it'll be faster. Nowadays we got more and more cars that are electric or aluminum, which requires better fits, man. So you need a good equipment to fit your parts right. So this is the right frame rack to use it. On aluminum, you can't really make pulls like in steel. If you install a new frame rail on an aluminum car, your new frame rail is gotta be perfect aligned. So this, when you install the new frame rail on a car, this machine will help you to set your new parts on the perfect position. I'm proud to work here with this equipment because it makes my life easier. Get the cars done right and the way it's supposed to, back to factory. I will recommend it, definitely. I would say it's the best frame rack you can buy. It's simple the best.